Okay, and welcome to this video. New kid on the block, and whatever I share in this video, it's totally okay to say no to it, click away, your life will stay exactly the same, nothing will change, and that won't influence my relationship with you. Please be critical, and when you do say yes to some, if not all, suggestions made here in this video, which is which is, by the way, a personal viewpoint video, this is not a corporate video, but when you do say yes to some, if not all, the suggestions, then you may expect positive results in all areas of your life. Bitnest, the next generation cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitnest is a decentralized finance. We call it a DeFi. So the abbreviation DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance Technology Platform. That is based on blockchain technology aimed to establish a distributed digital world system with transparency, accessibility and inclusiveness. That's what it's all about. It's a share economy. It realizes a decentralized peer-to-peer economy circulation model. We call that the loop, and meets the savings needs of global users and global institutions for global capital circulation, leasing and rotating income with zero risk and security, all via smart contracts. With other words, when you participate in the loop, it is making money for you. It is increasing the value, whatever you put in, for you on autopilot. Now, for those who are interested in the meaning of Bitnest, bit and nest, two little words, so Bitnest. Now, bit comes from the word Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a cryptocurrency, known for its characteristics of decentralization, anonymity, immutability, and limited supply. This is really the first part of the word Bitnest, the brand name Bitnest, so that's Bitcoin. It contains infinite innovation and possibilities. Bitcoin it is. And then Nest, the second part of the brand name, is derived from the symbol of beehives and nests, representing a secure, stable and inclusive financial ecosystem concept in the world of cryptocurrency. So Bitnest is based on the development of the Bitcoin ecosystem, as it does not rely on the insurance and management of central institutions and governments. So it's completely decentralized, but is maintained through a set of code, like digital code, made by cryptographers and distributed networks. It is known for its decentralized anonymity, immutability and limited supply characteristics, and is known as the blockchain gold. So Bitnest is known as the blockchain gold by people. Now Bitnest will become a digital paradise that integrates DeFi, decentralized financial technology, cryptography, homomorphic encryption, digitalization and community spirits, providing users with multi-dimensional zero risk, because it's all made by smart contracts, so zero risk financial security and services and security guarantees, and is committed to creating a thriving and vibrant Bitnest ecosystem, so people can experiment with new circulation economic models, create innovative lending patterns, explore novel saving methods free from human interference. So it is non-corruptible, that's what we call it, and so we pave the way for the future of digitalization in order for you to create enough wealth to fulfill your dreams and aspirations. That's what it's all about. It is creating wealth on autopilot, risk-free, via smart contracts, in order for you to fulfill your dreams and aspirations in this world. So that's basically the meaning and the purpose of Bitnest. In summary, Bitnest is committed to building the next generation of cryptocurrency ecosystem, aiming to establish a distributed digital world system with transparency, accessibility and inclusiveness. Our goal is to achieve a decentralized peer-to-peer economic circulation form, providing zero risk secure fund circulation, lending and alternation income savings services to meet the needs of global users and global institutions. Now please stop the video and just read this text. There's a lot to read. I'm not going to read it, so stop the video and read the following text if you don't mind. If not, then please continue with this video, but please pause this video in order to read this text. Take your time. It's a lot to read if you want to know more about it. So just stop the video whenever you want to and read the text that you'd like to read lots of text to be read. So here you go, and after that just continue with this video. So more and more, and there's a roadmap as well. Have a look at it. Lots and lots to look at. This is the roadmap. So again, rewind and do whatever is necessary in order for you to make sure you're informed, make your own decision. But the basic conclusion that you can make, and that we are making as well, is that Bitnest, as a decentralized financial, so a DeFi platform based on blockchain technology, Bitnest not only provides users with safe, efficient and transparent cryptocurrency, leasing, saving and liquidity services, but also represents the huge potential and application prospects of blockchain technology in the financial field. So through decentralized architecture and smart contract technologies, that's what it's all about. This is the new economic systems, all via decentralized architecture and smart contract technology. So Bitnest basically effectively solves many problems in the traditional financial system. At the same time, Bitnest also brings more financial freedom and innovation to global users and promotes the development of innovation and of the financial markets in the future, with the continuous development of blockchain technology and the expansion of application scenarios. Now Bitnest will continue to be committed to providing users, us, you and me, with more diversified and innovative financial services, promoting the progress and development of the financial field and realizing a more open, inclusive and secure financial technology, which is completely the opposite of what is happening in the so-called real world, whatever that means at the moment. I mean, politics, financial leaders, banks, religious leaders, presidents, you name it, CEOs, regular dictators, they all go bananas at the moment. Recession, depression. So this is a way out, a decentralized way out. Now there's a loop, which is really which is really how to participate and how to make money, which is called the loop. Very clever invention, all done by smart contracts, but basically how to participate, very simple. Participation in Bitloop is very simple. So Bitloop is the actual money-making protocol of Bitnest. So participation in Bitloop is very simple. Participants, so you only need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to be circulating on Bitloop's circulation page. So you just connect your wallet. It's very simple. When you get the link, you just connect your wallet, and then you're able to put in USDT to the Bitloop, so to speak. And then you choose the cycle that you want to participate in, and it will and you will receive the Bitloop circulation order. Simple as that. It's very simple. The explanation is more difficult than actually participating, and we do give webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions and training videos how to participate. So when the countdown of the order ends, the smart contract will automatically return the assets to the user's wallet asset. So it's doing a loop and it's giving you profits. Simple as that. On autopilot. You don't have to do anything. Now how such a smart contract works is explained in the following little piece of text. Now the smart contract begins to operate from the moment it receives the circulating crypto asset, the assets from you, from us, the participants, and circulates the order needs of lenders and suppliers based on real-time wallet addresses with a certain loop. So A, it is capitalizing circulation volume, B, capitalize return volume, C, number of loan orders, then loan amount, repayment amount, historical fluctuation, range, linear circle, etc. So the smart contract is literally looping this money, making money, lending it, etc., and giving you back the profits automatically, matching both parties' needs and completing the transaction. So there are people that want to use crypto, we're lending it out, it's doing it all automatically with smart contracts, and you're making profits of it, as if you are at the bank, but now with smart contracts fully automated. Now to assure that participants can steadily receive dividends, the Bitloop smart contract implements circulation volume control related to the crypto assets pledged by the market stakeholders. So if the borrowers' pledged crypto assets are insufficient, participants will not be able to provide funds to the smart contract's liquidity pool for circulation. In such case, the smart contract will automatically reject any funds exceeding the participant's supply order from circulating into the liquidity pool, ensuring absolute safety. The team rewards, so if you want to build up a team, if you want to grant other people this opportunity, there's lots and lots of team sharing rewards to be earned. Use this video, for example, to just show people and give them your own link. So the team share rewards are huge. In BitLoop, every participant has the opportunity to become the initiator of the project, inviting new users to join and providing liquidity to earn team sharing rewards. So you're being rewarded for everything you do for just granting other people this opportunity. So users can earn an additional generation of friend sharing rewards for every 100 USDT they circulate, up to a maximum of 17 generations of friends sharing rewards. And these are the sharing rewards. For example, when circulating 100 USDT on your own, you can earn 20% of the profit from each circulation of the first generation friends. Now when you do that with 200 USDT, then you get 10% of the profits of the second generation. When you circulate 300 to 700 USDT on your own, you can earn 5% of the profits of each circulation of the third to 7th generation friends. So friends inviting friends, you earn from that as well. And when you're circulating 800 to 1000 USDT on your own, you can earn 3% of the profit from each circulation of the 8th to 10th generation. And when you do that with 1100 USDT to 1700 USDT, you can earn 1% of the 9th to 17th generation. So here you can see it again in simpler terms. Stop the video to study that. So there's lots of team commissions to be earned. You basically set up a passive, smart contracted, managed income system. You get passive and residual income once you start it. And you can use that profit, obviously, in order to put back into your circulation and grow accordingly. So you can literally use your profits and use the compound interest principle in order to reinvest your profits, so you make interest upon interest upon interest. This is the biggest secret of rich people. Now please click on the links and open the link. You can see the same that I see here and click through to all the other pieces of information. Do your own due diligence and make sure that you make a free-willed decision. So this is literally a new opportunity for the world with blockchain and smart contracts. And I hope I inspired you to actually come on board. So question and answers being solved on this website as well. So just click the links below, get in, connect your wallet by simply saying connect your wallet. It does that automatically, and read all about it. Read what BitLoop is and read what how profits are made. So do your own due diligence, your own research, and then I hope to have served you. We don't sell, we serve. One thing for sure, be invited to our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, and see more videos on this channel. Would it be okay to also click the little share option, like, subscribe to this channel? You'll do me a bigger favor than I can do you. And when you see this on YouTube or other video funnels and there is a little bell icon, please hit the bell icon. You'll be notified whenever I or we upload a new video. Also click through to the white paper and the security audit. It is audited, meaning a third party is checking the smart contracts, so there's no corruption going on. And when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address and or mobile telephone number, please do so. We'll send you appropriate video information and won't spam or scam you. And we'll also send you information about many other ways to earn enough crypto/fiat money in order to fulfill your dreams and aspirations, because that's what it's all about. So dream bigger, faster. And the moment you start dreaming about the person that you'd like to become, even though you're not it yet, and the moment you start dreaming and visualizing the circumstances that you'd like to live in, even though your circumstances suck at the moment, and even though you don't have a penny to scratch your ass, but when you start dreaming and visualizing about your dream car, your dream house, your circumstances, and the person that you'd like to be, you automatically open your consciousness, you open your mind, so to speak, and you see opportunities that were there before, but you didn't see them because you weren't dreaming about it. So dream bigger, faster while taking massive action. That's how you change. That's how you become a changed person. I promise you that that will work. And that's how you practice the law of attraction. How to practice the law of attraction is to dream bigger, faster while taking massive action at the same time. And that's how you become happy, healthy, and wealthy, in that following order. And the opposite is true too. If you stop dreaming and you start blaming and being codependent, you'll eventually die and being addicted to codependency. No fun. So dream bigger, faster, walk with your head in the clouds while firmly planted on earth, doing that which is necessary, and stop doing that which is sabotaging you in order to fulfill your dreams and aspirations. You don't have to sit in a $3, $6 or $9,000 hallelujah to the NLP guru that is a billionaire having sold you courses of $3, $6 or $9,000, which is cool, but those are circuses. You'll probably learn how to practice the law of attraction, but how to do it is like eating an apple instead of learning about apples. I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars of learning how to eat an apple, but how to practice it, how to eat an apple, is simply by being grateful and taking massive action, both at the same time. Not one and then the other, both at the same time. Walk with a huge smile on your face while doing that which is necessary, and stop doing that which is sabotaging you, and you'll be a changed person. I'm not saying that to patronize you, I'm not saying that to talk down on you, I'm not saying that from a separating identity like your priest, upline, pope or pimp. I'm just saying that to hear it myself. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Click links, get in, take massive action, and then I'll definitely see you in the most wonderful resorts, top hotels worldwide, and on the most beautiful beaches of the world, because that lifestyle is there for you too, and you're more and more than worth it. Claim it. I'll see you there.